Recorded live from Brett's beautiful Independence Park Theater and brought to you by WRKF in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, it's the Radio Drama Club. Now on with the show.
Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities. So Mother Nature's recipe that brings the bare necessities of life. Wherever I wander, wherever I roam, I couldn't be fonder of my big home. The bees are buzzing in the trees to make some honey just for me. When you look under rocks and plants and take a glance at them fancy ants, then maybe we'll try a few. The bare necessities of life will come to you. For the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities. Oh, Mother Nature's recipe that brings the bare necessities of life. Wherever I wander, wherever I roam, I couldn't be fonder of my big home. The bees are buzzing in the tree to make some honey just for me. When you look under rocks and plants and take a glance at them fancy ants, then maybe we'll try a few, yeah. The bare necessities of life will come to you. Hey! Necessities, Mother Nature's recipe can bring the bare necessities of life.
By 40 smell-o-vision you can also feel with fruity computer products. It's real.
I found my thrill on Blueberry Hill. On Blueberry Hill. When I found you, oh, the moon stood still on Blueberry Hill, and it lingered until my dreams came true. The wind and the willow played love's sweet melody, but all of the vows we made were never to be. Though we were apart, you're a part of me still. Oh, you were my thrill on Blueberry Hill. The wind and the willow played love's sweet melody, and all of the vows
the best folks always meet.
Right, where at?
In New Orleans, the land of dreams. You'll never know how nice it seems or just how much it really means. Woo-hoo. Glad to be. Yes, sirree.
Yes, sirree.
Where welcome's free and dear to me. Where I can lose my Basin Street blues. Oh, yes.
I wanna walk you home. I wanna walk you home. I love the way you walk. I love the way you talk. Now I'm not trying to be smart. I'm not trying to break your heart. But if I ask you for a date, will you tell me that I'm not too late? I wanna walk you home. 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 You look so good to me. Ooh-wee. I wish I was the lucky guy who could walk you right on down the aisle. Just let me walk you home. Let me walk you home.
That's my man.
thank you all for coming here today.
Look at that guy in the back of the truck! He looks just like Fats Domino! Uh-oh!
And if you all will allow me to thank all you beautiful people on behalf of Mr. Fats Domino, the only way I know he would want me to. Let's go home, friends. Hey, where'd you get that piano? This time I'm walking to New Orleans. Yeah. Oh, I'm walking to New Orleans. I'm gonna need 2 pair of shoes when I get through walking these blues. When I get back to New Orleans.
Let's go! Jar Jar, drive, drive.
The crowd of thousands of adoring Fats Domino fans pour onto St. Claude Avenue, following that pickup truck with Rosemary Domino riding shotgun.
Break a leg, honey.
Come on, Lenny, let's catch up to the truck. Oh, these things are marching in.
I've got my suitcase in my hand. Now ain't that a shame? I'm leaving here today. Yes, I'm going back to stay. Yes, I'm walking to New Orleans.
As the large crowd begins to cross Poland Avenue, heading up the ramp towards the St. Claude Avenue Bridge, we see Fats Domino's longtime agent, Al Embry, waiting at the traffic light, driving a leopard print Miata with the top down and on his cell phone.
Holy muffalata, are you hearing this, Tracy?
He holds the cell phone out towards the crowd.
You used to be my honey. Till you spent all my money. No use for you to cry. I'll see you by and by. 'Cause I'm walking to New Orleans.
Woo, I gotta get this guy's number. I mean, he needs a little work as a Fats Domino impersonator, but the kid's got potential.
Meanwhile, back in 2021, it's Mardi Gras, and Florence Wiseman has just leaped off the streetcar, now making a frantic beeline for the New Orleans Police Department as both bungles trail behind her.
Florence, wait up!
I mean, I just don't understand it. What could have happened?
If you'll both just slow down a bit.
Are you sure there's nothing either of you did or said to influence them leaving?
I didn't arrive until later. I haven't even seen them yet. And I was on the balcony with you when they disappeared.
Wait, you have a bag right now, Bastian. You didn't have that bag when you were out on the balcony with me.
No, I put the bag down in the hotel room before we went out.
Bastian, check your bag. Is your time portal ink pen still in your bag, Bastian?
Well, of course it is. Wait, no, it's gone. It's gone.
Bastian!
Well, how was I supposed to know that your children would find it and use it? Ha, rookie.
This is so irresponsible. There goes my Mother of the Year award again. Oh, if Britt could see me now.
Oh, Florence, it'll be okay.
How is it going to be okay, Bungles? How does this keep happening? We literally have no idea when or where they are. What? Why are you both laughing?
Oh, I think we've got a pretty good idea where they might be.
The two bungles point to the large window display of an electronics store, a wall of televisions for sale of all shapes and sizes as tall as the display is wide. And playing on every TV is WWL News with the footage of Lenny and Katie back in 2017 dancing in the back of a truck with Fats Domino at his own Memorial Second Line.
Well, kiss my grits.
Walking to New Orleans. I'm walking to New Orleans. I'm gonna need to parachute when I get through walking these blues. When I get back to New Orleans.
Don't adjust your sets, folks. You are indeed seeing thousands and thousands of people marching to the home of the late, great Fats Domino, led by an incredible impersonator. Excuse me, it's just, oh my. Look at all these people, Derek. This is all just so touching.
I'm with you, Connie. You know, here in 2017. And you used the right word there. This is absolutely touching, to say the least. Truly a clear testament to the extent of the Fats Domino effect.
It's all